Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be talking about the bareMinerals Original SPF Foundation with a Click Lock Go Sifter. I have it in the shade medium beige, and it is a powder foundation, which is definitely different, or not like the norm. I think most foundations are like liquid foundations, but according to the website it says 90% of women said this foundation leaves skin soft, smooth, and younger looking. 90% of women saw improvements in their skin's appearance with continued use, and 93% of women said this foundation makes skin look more radiant. I think it's really interesting to begin with that the website's description of it is based on like other women's opinions and reviews of the product, but I will say that it really does have a really great finish to it. When I use this, my skin looks soft, it looks smooth, and it looks dewy, which I really like. I really like the dewy look rather than a matte finish, and with the powder I feel like sometimes it's hard to do that, but they have managed to perfect that dewy look with a powder foundation, which is really cool. And you also don't need to use a lot of product either, so that's really nice. So like the bottle itself, the jar is like pretty small, as you can see, but it lasts for a while, because it lasts for a pretty good while because I don't have to use a lot of product. I think when I use liquid foundation as compared to a powder foundation, I use more of the liquid than I do when I use powder. I'm not sure why that is, but yeah. And then because of the SPF in it, it's also healthy for your skin. It's good for your skin and acts as a protectant for your skin. So I can see why women say that they saw an improvement in their skin with continued use, because it is also good for your skin. And yeah, I really like this. If you go on the website or like on Amazon, you can see a list of the active ingredients. The jar itself doesn't have too much information. It might, if I like open this up, it might have more information on like this little sticker thing here. Maybe I'm just pulling it off. So it looks like you should be able to like peel here to get more info on the product. I am clearly having a little bit of a hard time doing so right now, and it looks like if I do it, it's just gonna rip. So maybe that's like one thing with the packaging that they could like be a little bit more aware of, is that the product itself has some information listed on it, but it's not really readable. But yeah, so this product is also not tested on animals, so that is always really good to know. And yeah, it just does a really good job at evening your skin tone and covering blemishes, and it doesn't have a cakey look to it either. Like I said, it's a really dewy finish, which is really nice. It's not cakey and it's not matte, which matte wouldn't be bad either, but just know that it's also, but cakey is when it's like bad and just looks not great. So just know that this does not get cakey, which is really great. And there's something to be said about a powder foundation that doesn't get cakey. So I'll go ahead and open this up so that you can see the powder itself. So this is the Click Go Sifter thing that it was saying. It has these little wheels here, these on the side, that you can twist, so that way you can lock it. So it has 4 little holes here, and that's where the makeup comes out of, and you can twist these. Mine doesn't work right now, and I think it's just a defective bottle, because I've been getting this brand for years, the same exact thing for years, and it usually works, but as you can see, it doesn't work. But if you can see like these little, like this little textured part here at the top, that is to close it. So like when you put it away, when you put it in your makeup bag, you can twist it so that the holes are covered and you're not spilling product. I mean, the product would spill into the lid, it wouldn't go all over the place, but still, sometimes if you like, there have been times where I've forgotten to lock it and I'll open it and the powder just kind of gets everywhere. So that's a really nice feature that this has. And I will say another thing about this is that when like that top part is filled, the product does tend to go all over the place when you open it. But when there's not too much product there, the product doesn't really go anywhere. It doesn't move, which is really nice. There are other powders out there that I've used that no matter how little product is in the jar, it just kind of goes everywhere. And when I dip my brush to apply it, it also goes everywhere, and I feel like that just wastes a lot of product. Whereas with this, when I dip my brush into it, the product goes only on the brush and nowhere else, which is really nice. So I would highly recommend bareMinerals, the original SPF 15 foundation. It's a really great foundation and to have. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.